usual protocol in mathematics. Trigonometry ratio of the day from 11 to distinction.
Good morning to all. I am Amasti. I am from non-decision. Trigonometry ratio of the day. Cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Thank you.
Formulas of the day from 9 to 3.
Fantastic morning to all, and we are from class 9 to 3. Formula of the day: x plus a x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Thank you.
Numbers of the day from 8 Ram.
Fantastic morning to all. This is Shana from class 8 triumph. Numbers of the day: prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7 up to etc. Thank you.
Mensuration of the day from 7th Pacific.
Fantastic morning to all. My name is Louis Then and studying 7th Pacific. Area of the trapezium is equal to a plus b divided to multiple halves. Perimeter of the trapezium is equal to a plus b c plus d. Thank you.
Squared and cube tables of the day from 6th King David.
Good morning to all. My name is Krishnan. I am studying 6th standard in David Square and Cube David of the day. 7 square 49. 7 cube 343. Thank you.
Shapes of the day from 5th APJ Kalam.
Good morning to all. My name is Alish Mohammed and Kalam. Cuba is a 3D. It also called a rectangle prism. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Thank you.
Mathematician of the day from 4th Europe.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Rudrika from class 40 Europe. Today's mathematicians. Brahmaputra. You are the first to treat 0 as a number and the best group for it is in mathematical operation. He also made the contributions to geometry. Thank you.
Tables in reverse order of the day from Dan Diamond.
Good morning to all. My name is Irfan Mishra. I am telling the reverse table of 10 is 16. 9 6 are 54. 8 6 are 48. 7 6 are 42. 6 6 are 36. 5 6 are 34. 6 are 24. 3 6 are 82. 6 are 12. 1 6 is 6. Thank you.
Own hours of the day from 2nd Jupiter.
Good morning to all. My name is Vishwa. Spelling second standard Jupiter. Add number 61, 62, 70, 61, 63, 65, 67 and 69. Thank you.
Even numbers of the day from 1st America.
Good morning to all. My name is Kelly. I study Rectangle America. Even number 61 to 70, 62, 64, 66, 68, and 70. Thank you.
Numbers in reverse order of the day from UKG and Queens.
Good morning to all. My name is Saufman. I study UKG Penguin. 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Thank you.
Numbers in words of the day from LKG Joseph.
Good morning to all. My name is Kirtan. I am studying LKG Roshan. ONE1 TW2 THRE3 FOU4